Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and today I have prepared 5 extremely quick and easy Halloween designs. They are actually cute and awesome for someone who is just starting up the nail journey. Have a preview of them in here. Yeah, totally a speedy nail art for the salon work as well, when sometimes we have not much time to create something really big. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial, so let's start. So yeah, we done those time-consuming, like really detailed designs. They are all on the channel by us, or they are coming to the channel. But there is also sometimes a need of those super quick designs, and today I'm going to show you 5 of them, guys. Use 183, which is a black ink. Like, put it on the mixing palette, paint the tip white, and then we are going to paint some line, make it a little bit thicker. Guys, they are super quick and easy designs. You know, some days we have not much of the time to be able to do it, those quick one, those long ones, so those short ones are fantastic as well. Okay, once you're done with that, take a D-liner brush and we are going to paint some lines, but paint them kind of messy-ish. Okay, and then the lines which are going underneath. You can see it, how quick it is to create this design. And give it some old look to it. So a couple of the scratches of the brush, hardly any product over there. Just in some places. And then cure it. Once you cure it, grab the white paint. And we have to do the eyes, and basically that's the super easy design finish when we put the top coat over it. So let's do those eyes. One and the second one. Boo. Cure it. That's it, cure. So let's apply the top coat, and that's our first design finished. Extremely quick. Cook it in. On this tip we are going to use some 239, and that's like a bright neon orange. So we can paint some pumpkin. So just paint the nails and cure it. Okay, when the other tip is curing, we can remove the first one. Place it there. And then let's do another one. So this is going to be a pumpkin. Grab those black color and then paint some triangle. Paint another one. I really thought I'm going to show you those super quick ones. Then another triangle, just upside down. Some teeth. And a smile. Basically, that's our pumpkin done. Let's cure it. Apply the top coat, and that's the next design finished. And cure it. On this tip we are going to paint some spooky trees, so paint the entire tip orange. And cure it. Once it's cured, we can do some white in there. So using the sponge, just tap it in some white, make it see-through. And on the other side, at the edges, tap some black. Grab the D-liner brush and paint a spooky tree. Super cool and easy design. And a couple more branches, tiny ones. Paint some back. And a tiny wee spider. Let's cure it. Add some curly detail. and highlight some places. Couple stars. And cure it. And then put top coat over it. Cure it. Next design. So on this one we are going to do some spider web. Grab the purple one. And then again some sponge. Cure it. Okay, when this one is cooking, the other two are ready. So we've got this one as well. Pumpkin. You know, they look cool together because you could do just those two on the ring finger and the middle finger, and that's basically you sorted for a Halloween design, which is absolutely fantastic. Then I'm going to place the spooky tree here. The purple one will go in the middle, just so we've got things kind of nice and going. And then here I will have to paint, so purple one here, and then here something white, so that will be for the next one. But that's what we have done it so far. Very quick, extremely easy. Okay, this one is cooked. So D-liner brush, and we are going to paint the spider web. And you know, some people don't want too much on their nails, so that will be a perfect design, just a wee spider web. Very quick and easy. Okay, that's our spider web finished. Let's cook it. Once it's cured, put the top coat, and that's it finished. So it will look nice with the white set of the nails or with the purple set of the nails, and this one as an accent finger. Not over the top. You could put some sparkle through it as well if you want. Cure it. I hope, guys, you do enjoying those extremely easy designs compared to those hard ones as well. Please let me know the feedback, because you know, cameraman was laughing at the beginning of the video. I was like, what is that? But then I explained to him, we've got different level viewers. Like, you know, some people that just starting doing the nails, they will be really happy to do those kind of designs, don't you guys? And then for those of you who are a bit more advanced, you can just go and, like, you know, try to recreate those ones. So I want to show lots of different things. Don't laugh at me, cameraman.
I will try.
You would try. Oh. Okay, he always expect like top work, you know, guys. So, okay, I'm going to forgive him for that. But I think it's cool still. You know, it's not over the top, very easy designs. Anyway, the last one, spider. So again, extremely easy. Just a line. That's done. No, don't laugh, cameraman. Then the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many legs does the spider has? And then another 2. 1, 2. Cool. Then grab some base gel, because if you want to apply some crystals, we always need some base gel. Gosh, this is so easy and quick, spider. And some brush to put the base gel in. And the gems. So 1. And 2. Okay, cure it. And we are going to add those 2 more legs, which I have smudged. You could start with the gems, but I wanted the legs to kind of come out from underneath. Cure it and then top coat it, and that's our Halloween design finished like super quick. I don't know how long the video is going to last. Like Richie probably like is some designs for 3 minutes per nail, I would say. So really quick and easy ones. Put the top coat in there. I usually avoid putting the top coat over the crystals, then they are much better looking and shiny. But yeah, for those of you who are much more advanced, you could do it probably with the closed eyes, paint those sort of designs. Let's cook the last spider and then I can show you all 5 designs. Okay, that's it cooked, so let's place it on our display tray. And that's the designs which we have created today. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed the simple and quick look. And I'm sending you glittery hacks. Bye for now.